Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious soft and moist fresh mango cake. Since mangoes will be soon gone for this season, so we should make the most of it and prepare this tasty mango cake. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first let's prepare a mango glaze. In a pan add pulp of 3 mangoes and 2/3 cup of sugar. Mix well and cook till it turns translucent. Allow it to cool down. Transfer it to a bowl and keep aside. Now in a bowl add half of the prepared mango glaze. To that add 3/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of mango essence and half teaspoon of yellow food color. Food color and mango essence are optional. Whisk and mix till everything is combined. Now place a sieve and add 3 cups of maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Sift everything together. I am making a big cake here. This will probably be of 1 kg. Fold and mix everything. Add 3/4 cup of milk and gently mix till combined. Our cake batter is ready now. Brush oil in a cake mold. I have used 10-inch cake mold here. Now place a butter paper and brush oil again. Transfer the cake batter into the mold. Spread out evenly using a spoon or spatula. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Our cake is perfectly baked now. Allow it to cool down and then demold. Now add half of the remaining mango glaze to 1 cup of whipped cream. Add half teaspoon of yellow food color and gently mix everything in. Keep it aside. After demolding the cake, cut it into 2 layers. I am making it into a 2-layer cake today. Place a cake board on a rotating table. Apply whipped cream on the center. Place 1 layer of the cake sponge. And this mixture I have prepared with 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon condensed milk and 1 tablespoon of the prepared mango glaze. Apply it on the cake and let it soak. Apply white whipped cream and spread on the first layer of cake. Make a border of white whipped cream and then spread fresh mango chunks on top. Now place the second layer of the cake sponge. Soak with the condensed milk mixture. This keeps our cake moist. Apply white whipped cream and spread on top. Now apply yellow whipped cream on the sides and spread it. Spread it using an offset spatula. Then scrape off the excess whipped cream using a scraper. Now make spiral designs with white and yellow whipped cream on the side of the cake. I am making this design on only half of the cake. On other half I will be spreading the prepared mango glaze. And cover the left out parts from the spirals. Now spread the mango glaze on the remaining top part of cake. Top the spirals with mango glaze and mango chunks. Decorate with rainbow sprinkles. Also add white chocolate chips on the sides. These are optional. You can decorate the cake as beautifully as you can. Wipe off the excess cream on the board, and our delicious fresh mango cake is ready. This is so amazing as I have used fresh mangoes here, and this turns out to be super soft and tasty. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.